Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Lee and I come from the northern part of Peninsular Malaysia, which is Bukit Mertajam. And right now, I'm staying in Kluang, Johor. So welcome everyone, welcome. We are now discussing actually book 2. My book 2, which was, this is the one, and published probably 2021, so it has been a lapse, it's actually 2023 and I haven't got my book 3 ready. Okay, and this one, book 1 was published 1 year earlier, 2020, so it was during a very bad time. During the COVID-19, it was very bad. It was a bad time. And now we are at this book, and I'm going to discuss with you lesson 14, conjunctions. So conjunctions is one part of grammar, which basically it is grammar, but understanding is important. Meaning to say that you can actually fill in the answer if you know the meaning of the sentence. Alright, so exercise 1 is about and but. That means you fill in the blanks with and or but. So actually and this word but are called conjunctions. Okay, what is the function of a conjunction? The function of a conjunction is to join two sentences together. So they're basically two simple sentences. But in order to create a complex sentence, we use a conjunction. So the two sentences become one. So it's rather long. So you can see the level is quite high if you use a conjunction, because you see that the sentence is long. Okay, rather than two short sentences, you can actually use a conjunction to combine the two sentences together. So the first one is, Madam Wong has 2 sons and then and a daughter. Because actually it means to say Madam Wong has 2 sons. Madam Wong has a daughter. So when you join the sentences together, it becomes Madam Wong has 2 sons and a daughter. The second one is Encik Kamal is rich, Pak Mail is poor. So one is rich, one is poor. Of course, there is a difference. When they have the same, when the items or when the things are the same, we use and. But when you see that there is an opposite, when they are different, we use but. Alright, so here the answer is but. This ruler is long. That one is short. So there is an opposite, long, short. Therefore, we should use but, because they are not the same. When they are the same, you use and. When they are not the same, we use but. So here, the answer not the same. One is long, one is short. Therefore, you use but. Another thing is, if you understand the meaning, you can directly write the answer. You don't have to worry. But of course, there is a function to it. When they are the same, people, animals, places, things, adjectives, when they are the same, the category is the same, we use and. But if they are different, we use but. Alright? So but shows difference. Selena's hobbies are singing and dancing, because you are talking about the same thing. You are talking about hobbies. So the answer is and. Kim Seng and his family went to Kuala Lumpur by train. That means they went together. You can't say but, because they are together. They are the same category of people going to the same place. Therefore, the answer should be and. They went to the shopping mall, did not buy anything. The answer should be but. Because the purpose of going to a shopping mall is to buy, but then you didn't buy anything, therefore it is but. Okay? So there is something different right here, so that is easier to see. But. So the lighting system here is a bit dark, because when I switch on the lights over here, actually there you can see a reflection on this whiteboard. You will see the light on the whiteboard, therefore you can't see the words. That is why I switch on this side, then you can, but this side becomes a bit dark, but I think you can see. Exercise 2, you have to fill in with 3 different conjunctions. You have to choose from 3 different conjunctions, also because. So Dinesh bought a new laptop, his old one is spoiled. So there is a reason why he bought a new laptop. The old one was spoiled. So it gives us a reason. When it gives us a reason, we should use because. Is your t-shirt the blue one or the brown one? You are given a choice. When we ask or, usually it's a choice, this or that. So you are choosing one. The blue one, the brown one. Therefore the answer is or. The naughty boys made a lot of noise in class. What is the consequence? What is the result? Their teacher punished them. So when you talk about consequence or result, you use so. The effect. Now you notice I put a comma here in red. Comma, so. You have not finished your work. You cannot go out to play. Result. Effect. Consequence. Therefore the answer is so. But in front of the word so, you cannot see a comma. What does it mean? It means to say that in front of so, you can put comma or you don't put comma, it's okay. It's okay. I can see that it's a bit noisy because it's still early. It is 1:15 a.m. It's early. If I were really to, if I were to really make my videos, create my videos in a very quiet environment, it has to be around 3 to 4 a.m. which I usually do. But just today I thought I'll start a bit early. Okay? Now if you have this book 2, you can open to the, you can turn to the page here, because from number 5 to number 8, I'm not able to write because of there's no space left. So what I can do is, see, it is going to be very noisy. I hope you put up with it. No choice, because it's still very early. If you look at number 5, if you have the book, if you don't, you just listen. So number 5 is Sarah's your sister, is Sarah's your cousin. Oh, I'm sorry. Number 5 is here. My aunt bought some eggs and flour. She wanted to bake a cake. So it answers you, why? Why does she want to buy eggs and flour? You will notice that the word flour is commonly used in Malaysia here. English is the second language, so we use flour is easier for students to understand. But the real pronunciation is flour. Alright, you may hear people saying flour, which is the real pronunciation. But over here, we always say flour, so it's accepted. Alright? So there is a reason. She wants to bake a cake. Therefore, because it is a reason, we use because. Okay? Number 6. Is Ronnie or Joshua attending the meeting tomorrow? So you are given a choice. Is it Ronnie? Is it Joshua? So the answer is all. Number 7. The little boy could not carry the desk, so we help him. In this sentence, I put a comma. So I just want to let you know that you can choose to put comma or don't put a comma. It's fine. It's okay. Nothing to worry. So you don't, think, hey, how come here you have comma? How come there you don't have comma? I do it to show you that is okay. Not to worry, okay? Marissa must tidy up her room or her mother will be angry. Here, or is a result. It means otherwise. It means if not. If she doesn't do it, this will be the result. This will be the consequence. We don't use so, okay? We use or because it shows us that if she doesn't do it only, okay, there is a choice. So if she does it, then nothing will happen. Therefore, we use or and not so, okay? All right. Now, actually, for this chapter, conjunctions, we have actually 4 exercises. But as you can see, due to lack of space, I only put up 2. So the next video will be part 2, okay? For your information, this is, if you have the book, it is, we are doing page 30. We are doing page 30. So I shall write here, page. So in my next video, part 2, I will finish with you. I will discuss with you exercise 3 and 4. Because exercise 3 and 4 is not filling in the blanks. It's actually 2 sentences becoming 1. So it's going to take a long time, that's number 1. And number 2 is going to take up space. So I might just end up reading and telling you the answer if we don't have enough space. I mean for the next video. So for this one, I will stop here. And I will continue exercise 3 and 4 in my next video, part 2. Okay? Alright, now, if you are interested to buy any of these books or both these books, please remember to WhatsApp me. Okay? WhatsApp to me. And I will arrange for the books to be sent to you. Okay? These 2 books. Alright? And if you want to learn how to speak English, I'm doing it in my TikTok. These are my accounts. Any one of these is okay. So you can, go to my TikTok and, learn how to speak English. Okay? And I have new English courses coming. If you are interested, it is the same. Just WhatsApp to me and let me know. And then I will provide you the details. I will give you the details in my WhatsApp reply. Okay, so that's all for tonight. For this morning is 1:25 only. Alright, I will see you again in the next video.